Hello and welcome back to the That Was Easy channel. Today I'll be showing you guys a super cool teleporting card trick which I actually made a YouTube short about a couple weeks ago. So now I'll show you a performance of what that trick looks like. So first I will have my spectator choose any card that they want. This part doesn't really matter. So let's say they choose this one and I'll go ahead and look at it too. And it is the 7 of Diamonds. I'll place that card right back on top of the deck, but then with the snap of my finger, their card actually disappears from the top. So now we'll take that random card and place it right on the table. And then with another snap of my hand, their card actually disappears from the deck. It actually teleports right here. So now I'll show you a tutorial of how this trick is done. But wait, before we go on to the tutorial, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment some other tricks you want to see me perform in the comment section down below. But now, on to the tutorial. So this trick requires no setup, and your spectator can choose genuinely any card. So let's say they choose this one right here, the 4 of Spades. You'll have them place that card right on top of the deck, and this is where the first sleight of hand move comes in. So you'll perform what is called a double lift. And I have a full in-depth tutorial on this move in my channel, so if you want some more help with that, make sure you check it out. But for now, I'll give you guys the short version. So there's many ways to perform it, but the way that I like to do it is by lifting up 2 cards using my thumb. So what I do is I riffle down the back of the deck, just like this. Of course, I wouldn't do this with all the cards, just maybe the top couple, until I'm left with 2. Then, once I do that and I'm left with those top 2 cards, I just lift them up. So, slowly it would look something like this, and then lift those up, and in real time it would look like this. Some other things you can do to make it look a bit better are to, once you have picked those 2 cards up, use your index finger to push on them so that you can't see a gap between the cards, because occasionally the cards can push out like this, but pushing with your index finger helps to avoid this. Something else you can do is just make sure the cards are completely lined up when you lift it, because if your cards are a bit outjogged, this is an extreme example, your spectator will see the 2 cards. But if they're perfectly in line, your spectator won't know. So going back to the actual trick, once you perform that double lift and show that your spectator's card has left from the top, you'll take that random card, which is actually theirs, and place it onto the table. Now that you're here, you're going to say that with a snap of your finger, their card is actually going to disappear from the whole deck. You can go ahead and show them the deck, because you know that their card is actually teleported right here. And at this point, you can do the whole big reveal and show them that their card is gone from the deck. If you guys liked the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment some other tricks you'd like to see me perform in the comment section down below. But for now, I'll see you guys again later. Bye.